Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have Canadian dollar with Japanese yen. As you can see, just quite literally, I'm still in this trade. Okay, I'm just going to explain like everything in a second, but we're going to do a case study. This is a 30-minute time frame. This is a 4 to 84. Again, the trade is not like it's not it. As you can see, this is our this is my right now profit. Take profit market, have my stop losses moved, and also took some partials out. If you don't like, I'm gonna give you the alert. Okay, the alert notification right here. Let me just give you. Okay, here we have CADJPY entry triggered. As you can see, it was created what like yeah, here it was January 24th, 1923. But yeah, so this was like when it was made. It was just recently that it actually took. It was 9:16 p.m. Right now we're 9:49. I don't know when you're gonna be watching this video, but just to show you, okay, show you the credentials. So why did I took this trade? Let's just get straight into it. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame. We can see right here that we kind of failed to make this high. Okay, to break this high, to make this new higher high. You see here we could like quite literally just came back down. And right now, if I go to the daily time frame, here, why did I manage to have this in my in my head? Why am I like looking for entry in this? So it's a valid one. Okay, it's a valid POI. This caused a break of structure. Also has like liquidity build up right here that we need to take out. If you like really want to like push to the downside, that's basically how I mark it up. As you can see right here, came back down. Another catalyst was, as you see, we grab all this liquidity. And the same thing here, we have a like liquidity tuck right there too. I saw that we were more than 50%, or like we did manage to mitigate more than 50% in this area right here too. So right now, if it, like after it came to the lower time frame, okay, I'm talking about like the lower time frame, and this is the 5 and 1 minute time frame. Okay, so here this is what I saw. Let's go even 1 minute. Just have the replay too. So the price was looking like this. Just replay a little bit more again, just like that. So this is how the price was looking like. As you see, after we broke this structure, I just knew, okay, this is what caused this break of structure after we had like liquidity that we needed to grab onto. Okay, that we need the liquidity talk. I think that this is where I actually made sense. Yeah, I think that this is like where I basically entered my trade to the side. So we had the liquidity talk right here. We had this POI that has a little imbalance and all that. As you can see, we this is a sniper entry. Okay, we are coming in. Okay, here again at the 50%. Right now, like my entry could have been fucking mental if I use my trade to be if my trade was something like that. Okay, it could have been fucking mental. And as you see, if like we never got taken out, my stop loss though was right here. Like just to cover this low right there too. It could have been great if I just did this, but yeah, I just had my because again a lot of liquidity on this side. After that, look how it did manage to continue. All right, beautiful. This is for the stop loss that I did manage to change after we broke through the structure and all that. Actually, from here on, bam, upside again. So just beautiful, beautiful. Okay, this is a great case study. Also, like I'm tracking this right now in my journal. It's on Notion. If you want, I can make a video about that too. If you want, I can also share my trading journal. So have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out, guys. And I also have a free Discord. You can go ahead check it out. First link in the description. Goodbye.